absolute craziness. My mother called me last night around 11:30 p.m. and informed me she was racing away from a flash flood at our family home where I grew up in Hay River. So this morning, my father and I, we wanted to see for ourselves. We jumped into our Bird Dog Baron aircraft, and we're heading to Hay River and check out everything and just the absolute devastation. The runway is completely underwater. The main pavement runway in Hay River. This is just nuts. This has never happened in Hay River in recent memory. There was a flood in '63 that wasn't this bad, but we'll see. So, yeah, flying around, we got the main thing about going over is to see how all the homes are doing and to see how the runway is, if the runway was usable, which is, of course, it's not. It's completely underwater. There is a section of gravel part of the runway that is usable, but right now everything is shut down. The airplane, of course, the airport is shut down with no TAMs. The whole community of Hay River is being ordered to evacuate, and we wanted to make sure to take some video of our homes along the riverbank, West Channel, Old Town, even Uptown, and then of course up to Mile 5 where my mom currently is, and other family members all through town. My sister's property and house along the beach looks to be now destroyed. Just absolute devastation, quite crazy. So yeah, just I wanted to make sure I get a video out to make sure that people could see it. If anybody's wondering how everything's going, I try to get enough video of everything to show what's going on. I literally just landed and going to be editing everything right now to get it out as soon as possible to show everybody. And yeah, I just want to make sure that everyone is safe. We have airplanes standing by, all airplanes standing by, just in case anything needs to be done. And it's not over yet. As you can see, everything is still jammed up. There might be another push of water, so everybody in that area, be safe. We're all thinking of you, and every community in the north's open for everybody. And everybody just be safe, and hopefully this is over soon.